Hey, I'm Eliza, the Watercolor Witch, and in this video I'm going to show you how I painted these crystals. If you are interested, I have some more coloring pages and some other additional resources on my website to make the painting more easier for you. But first, I would like to invite you to a word search game. In this video, I've hidden 6 letters. So, if you find these 6 letters and type them in order, you can download this crystal line art or coloring page for free. So, are you ready for the challenge? Let's start painting crystals. So first, I start with a bright yellow at the bottom of the background. I don't use too much water, but rather much pigments on the background, as I don't want to use wet on wet technique here. I paint green and blue on the top. My goal is that my brush strokes remain visible, edgy and rough on the background. I carefully paint around the leaves. When I blend the greens with the yellow, I paint with rough and fast brush strokes in mostly a vertical direction, up and down, up and down. You may use whatever type of brush you feel comfortable here. I continue with dark blue. I spread the colors downwards with a fan brush. A bit more yellow to make it more vibrant. I paint dark blue dots here and there on the top, and I blend them with the fan brush. I form paint drops with my brush. Tilt the paper so the gravitational force can help you forming the paint drops. Oops, I realized that I made the drops too intense, so I mop up the excess colors with a paper towel. Alright, let's start painting the crystals. First, I dampen the crystal with clean water. Then, I paint violet on the bottom. I continue with adding purple paints. I paint a tiny hint of orange on the top. Finally, a bit of dark violet at the bottom. I move on to the next crystal. Here, I use a pink-orange base color and the Bordeaux color on the crystal's edges. You can paint blue, purple, orange combos as well with violet on the edges. I basically follow the same process as I did in the previous lessons with the green crystals. Darker colors at the bottom of the crystals, while lighter colors on the top of the crystals. That's it all. When you are finished, let it completely dry. After it dried, I outlined the crystals and the plants with a golden gel pen. Moreover, I added some scratch lines on the crystals with a blue pen. I also added parallel blue lines on the half of the leaves, while leaving the other half empty, in order to make the leaves more interesting visually. Okay, so we are finished painting these crystals. If you feel this is not enough info for you to help learning crystal painting, I would like to invite you to my Skillshare class. There's a free link down below in the description. In this class, I explain how I paint crystals in depth. Also, you can have free resources and my personal help. So, comment below what I should paint next. And also, please remember, don't ruin others' word search games, so don't comment the password. For the crystal coloring page, you can download it in the description with your password. If you like watercolor painting and you would like to see more videos from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Happy painting! Bye bye!